Government eri mu nteekateeka yeeyimiriza enkola y'ensimbi z'oku mitimbagano eyitibwa crypto money eviiriddeko Bannauganda okubbibwa okuva mu kampuni ezimu nga OneCoin, Dominus Coins, Mega Cash n'endala ezifaananako bwe zityo. Bw'abadde yasomera ababaka statement ku nsonga eno, minisita omubezi ow'ebyensimbi n'okuteekerateekera eggwanga David Bahati agambye nti emikutu gy'ebyempuliziganya gyonna egikubira abantu bano obulango gikikola mu bukyamu. Ababaka mu kukubaganya ebirowoozo ku nsonga eno y'emu baagala abo bonna abaliko ensimbi zaabwe ez'enjawulo ezibatwaliddwako gavumenti ebaliyirire.
That end, we have continued to advise the public to resist from investing in cryptocurrencies since they are yet to be supervised and regulated in Uganda. We have therefore strongly encouraged the members of the public to do their business transactions with all the licensed institutions.
They could have rooted out these people. And now one has been arrested, now they are released. To me, my suggestion is that anybody operating such a business must be arrested and put in jail. And they must refund people's money. We should not continue lamenting here when we have the power to do so. That is an indication that really the things are well connected and they know who gets what and if they are called. Some of the members were called in other small hotels. They bring very brilliant ladies who are pretty knowledgeable. They just show you the computer how someone invested this and has increased to this in a very little time. He's not interested in this issue. We complain about family, about that, about tea, about midnight. Yeah. But nothing is up. Nothing is up.
To invest, and actually indicates that it is one of the ways that Uganda will get out of poverty. Today, the minister comes out and tells us that cryptocurrency is operating not within the central systems of this country. Yet the